I'm Mauro Benavidez, do-it-yourself and piracy sympathizer. Part of my activity involves exploring possibilities in the amateur dimension, hybrid practices and non-specialized methods. This includes pointing out or tuning into dissenting, distorted or marginal logics from which to propose remixed narratives. Another constant is collective practice, the articulation of collaborative creation processes and experiments. Along with my artistic work, I have also worked as DJ Selector and I have been involved in numerous musical projects and research groups related to sound art, nightlife and disobedient strategies of cultural dissemination. My occupation has been focusing on different relations between the musical, the festive, the emotional and the satirical. To make it short, sometimes this takes form of parties, musical documentation, sound system design, playlist or burning records. I live between Madrid and Bogotá, Colombia. I was in camp in the course, Let Your Lone Ranger Ride with Bill Drummond. It was an opportunity to understand about perseverance, patience and affection towards one's own practices. It is still early but I hope for future collaborations with the people I met. If you want to know more about me, you can visit my website,